Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to repost on Instagram with videos and image without repost apps. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Instagram profile and then open that image or video which you want to repost, and now click this three dot and click on copy link. And after that, open this website repostapp.com, and once you're here, paste Instagram link here, and here we can see the post. Now click on download and your post will be downloaded. And now click above the caption and the caption will be copied. And now I'm going to repost, so I'm clicking on this plus icon, new post, select from computer. Now I'm selecting the downloaded post. Next, and I'm pasting the caption here, share. So this was how we can repost on Instagram without any app. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.